Good morning, my dear friends. This is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi, and I'm speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 29th July, so let's know the importance and significance of 29th July. Today is the International Tiger Day. Tigers are very important, part of our life, part of nature, part of environment. We have to protect them. We are getting the tigers extinct. Gradually, tigers are dying. We have to find the reason. There was a time when hunting was allowed, but since 1972, hunting is not allowed. Otherwise, people used to hunt tigers, and thousands of tigers were killed in a year that time. Thanks to the government everywhere, the tiger generally is not allowed, and there is Wildlife Act, so we have to maintain harmony in the forests, and wherever tigers are there, we have to fight and ensure that tigers do not die of a natural death. They have to get proper food, and they have to be taken care of everything around them. So International Tiger Day is an important day for all of us. Today is also the International Rain Day. Rain is very important. Rainy season. There are countries where there are less rain, countries where there are more rain. So in India also we have different regions. In Northeast we have more rain. In other areas we have less rain, but we are seeing that sometimes rain causes difficulties in urban areas. You can't walk. Mumbai and Delhi are the examples where you cannot walk, cannot move. If there is half an hour rain, for 2-3 hours the traffic is blocked because the drainage is choked. There is no technological advancement in the drainage. Same old techniques are there. Money is being siphoned, or if you not use in a proper manner. It is high time that we have to thank God for rain, and rainwater can be harvested, and there will be no water mining if we conserve water, and the water level can also go up if we have the water harvesting. So rain is important for everybody. It is important for farming, agriculture, plantation, nursery development. Everywhere rain is required. So we have to thank God for rain, and we have to ensure rain is there. For that matter, you can't cut the trees. If there are no trees, if there is no green cover, if there are no green lungs, you will have less rain. So all are interdependent. So we have to remember this day, the rain day. Friends, tomorrow we'll discuss about 30th July. Till then, I thank you for your time, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.